So guys, welcome to another video on this YouTube channel. So recently I did two videos concerning with regards to the stock market, and this video has been helpful to a lot of people, and some people personally reach out to me that I should help them to create the platform or create the sign into their app and all that. So instead of me doing it one by one for people that are very close to me, I think it's better to just do it here so that everyone who wants to learn how to do their investment on their own can go ahead and do it. But before we get started, you have to know that investing in the stock market is a risky, or it has to do with risk. You have to invest what you can afford to lose, and also you should have some level of risk tolerant. So in this video I'm going to take you through the step-by-step way you can invest in the stock market just with your smartphone. So let's get started. So guys, here we go. Now this app is not going to allow you to do screen recording or even take a screenshot. So the best thing you have to do now is to pay attention so that you don't do any mistake whenever you are following this process. So the first thing you need is to go to your Google Play Store and search for IC Wealth. IC Wealth. So you see it right there. So IC Wealth is on so you see it here like this. Okay, so it's on Google Play Store and it's also on the Apple Store, so you can check it out. So now I'll open it. Now if you open it, this is just simple. Because you don't have account, you have to go to register, and you just put in your details here, and sharp, they'll just do it for you. So let me go back. Because I have an account, I'll just go and tap on login. So let me quickly log in. If you create the platform successfully or you sign into the app successfully, this is all you'll be seeing. If you are new, you will see at the top here that you should provide a CSD account anytime you want to invest. For instance, if you tap on invest, they'll write at the top here that provide your CSD account. If you don't have your CSD account, there will be an option there for you to create one. So you just follow the prompt, put in your details, and then within 3 weeks or 1 month, they can give you your CSD account, and then automatically they'll just set everything up for you. Now, some people say their own take like 1 month, but my own just took like 1 week. So just follow them, and I believe they can help you to invest faster. So now you see that. Let me go back. If you come to the dashboard here, there are a lot of options here, and I would like to explain everything here, but in this video it's going to be long. So this is invest. If you tap here, you can choose to invest in whatever you want, and then just beside it here is what we call TradeLive. And one thing you must also know, the CSD account I talk about now, it helps you to have a full access to the platform. CSD account is what helps you to hold online shares. If you want to trade shares electronically, it's the CSD accounts that will help you. So if you don't have the CSD account, you will not have a full access to this particular app. So the only access they will give you is if you check the down here, you see dashboard. Just closer to the dashboard, you will see liquidity fund. They'll only give you access to the liquidity fund, and just after the liquidity fund, you see invest. After the invest, you see TradeLive, and TradeLive is where most of the monies are made, and at the same time you can also lose money there as well. But this is the main reason why most of us created the app, or created the sign into this app. So before you have access to this, make sure you have your CSD account created. Okay, so now if you check the platform here or on this app, you can still see we have MTN, Unilever, GCB. You can't see it well, but if you are following the video, you can see it. So now the next thing we are looking for right now is to go to TradeLive. So if you go to TradeLive, they are still here. All the companies are here. Almost all the big companies we have in Ghana are on this platform. Okay, we have MTN, we have Commercial Bank here, we have Total Energy, and we have, I think we have ADB Bank, and then Unilever. A lot of big companies are here. You can go through and see which ones are available there. So now let's say you want to trade any of these companies. You just come here and tap on what? Trade. So you tap on trade. Now if you tap on trade, all the apps will still be here, but this time around there will be an option for you to buy. So if you already have any of or if you already have any of the assets bought already, you see sell. But because I didn't buy any for now, I sold all I have. I only have buy signs over there. So if you want to buy, let's say MTN, you just scroll and look for MTN. Okay, and look for MTN and then tap on buy. So once you tap on buy automatically, so let me tap on MTN for instance. I say buy, right? So buy, I'll just enter the number of shares I want to buy. So they are telling me that one share is currently selling at 4.25. okay, to 4.25, and in my account right now I have like 834 over there. So I can choose what the calculation I'll do is that how many of quantities will sum up to this 834 Ghana cedis. So what I'll do is to maybe enter like maybe let's say 20, meaning I'm saying I'm buying 20 shares. Okay, 20 shares. So these 20 shares, how much will it cost? I'll come here, tap on proceed. So if I buy 20 shares, it will cost me 96 Ghana cedis. So that means I can choose to buy 50 shares. So once you are done, you just come again and then tap on what? Proceed. So if you tap on proceed successfully, your money will automatically be deducted from here, so you will not see the money here again. Sometimes too, it will take some time before they will deduct it, and this we have to do another video about that, because if you tap that, you are buying shares. Okay, let me go back. The reason why sometimes if you tap on the buy, it will take some time is because if you are buying shares, unless someone is selling theirs, okay, if the company is not issuing a new share, unless someone is selling their share before the broker can buy for you. So if it's taking some time or it's taking too much time, it's because the company didn't give new shares and no one is also selling theirs. That's why it takes some time. So you have to be patient and be checking the app from time to time and see when they'll deduct the money for you. They'll deduct the money to go and buy the shares for you. Now, how do you add money before even buying these shares? So you are going to do the transfer from your mobile money wallet. So all you have to do is to come here. Remember, let me take you back so that you see how I did it. So tap on TradeLive here, and then you come here again, tap on trade, and then from the top here you see they say add fund. Okay, add fund. So I can just tap on add fund. So add fund, as a portfolio, select portfolio. Okay, so if you're adding the fund, just choose TradeLive. Okay, TradeLive, that is if you want to buy MTN directly on your own. But if you want IC Wolf, okay, for them to do their selections and buy the stocks that they know that is the best for them, then you can choose liquidity fund. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we will just choose TradeLive portfolio. So I've choose TradeLive portfolio, and then amount. So let's say 200 cedis. Okay, 200 cedis. Then they say payment type. I want to use MTN mobile money, so I'll tap here. If you want to use Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone and all that, or MasterCard, you choose any of them. They are all provided here. So let's say MTN. Then I'll go to what? Done. Then transaction charges. Here you put your mobile money number here. Okay, so you just put your mobile money number here, and that's all. Then you just tap submit. Okay, they will not charge you anything. It's totally free. So once the money comes into your on this app, then that's where, if they want to buy the shares for you, they will deduct. That's what I mean is this. You have to take your time and watch this video so that you don't do mistakes. So let's say I select MTN. And I want to buy like 20 shares. Okay, 20 shares. I'll tap on proceed. So the charges they are giving me on the app is what? 2.96 Ghana cedis. So they are also charging 2.35, and that's what brokers do. Okay, and on Binance and all the apps too, anytime you want to trade cryptocurrency, they also do charges. So basically, this is how you can buy your shares from the Ghana stock market using IC Wealth. So guys, I believe this short video has helped you to understand the basics in investing in the stock market. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.